Man, my grass is high. Wish my lawnmower was fixed. Hi. Well, my lawnmower broke. Had a weld broke right on the deck. So I'm going to try something I'm no good at. My future son-in-law, he went down and bought some stuff. Some magnets. All right off of Amazon. Welding gloves. Here's some rods. I've got 260-13s. I guess that's what I'll be using. Okay, well, that's the stinger there, and the ground. It's not the best ground clamp in the whole world, but should work. .220 adapter. Need that because I'm out here where all I got's 110. Instruction manual. Brush. Okay, so this is a Deck Pro. What model is it? It's a Deck Pro MMA 160/200. This is a stick welding outfit, so I'm going to give it a try. So, oh, also, for this project, I went down and got a Harbor Freight welding hood. I got the one with the blue flames. All right, so hang with me a little bit and see what we can do here. Okay, so I got some old junk lawnmower blades. I'm going to try a practice run real fast. I haven't welded since about 1985. I had an old hot rod 1956 Chevy pickup, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, not too bad. I think I can weld. Okay, I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see how it goes here. Got to get a good grounding spot. Not too horrible for a practice for an inexperienced welder. Not pretty, but it'll work. Good tech. So like I said, if you're a real welder, don't hate me here. Well, some real ugly welding. big old hole right here. I'm trying to bridge this gap. It's pretty ugly, but that's what I want. That's actually what I wanted. Well, sometimes you do what you got to do. So in this case, the bee man can be a welder man. All right. We'll do a little bit of beekeeping today too, I hope. What they doing right now? Hi. Okay, so this is much later in the afternoon now, and my grass is cut. Yay. I always feel better when the grass is cut. So, what are final thoughts about this? Well, you know, stuff happens. The bracket on that lawnmower deck broke, and when I was a kid, my dad, he would call somebody, and this guy would come out with an old pickup truck full of welding stuff, and Dad would have lined up 2 or 3 welding jobs, and this guy would weld it all up, and Dad would give him $10 or something, and it was done, you know. It's expensive to get stuff welded now. And you know, a little welder outfit like that one from Amazon, that's cheap, $130 for that welder. Couple bucks in rods, you know, you need a helmet. So right around $200 and you can have a welding set. I believe a man needs to be able to weld. Sometimes stuff breaks. I don't see myself needing it very often, or, you know, I just don't have that many things break down, and I don't see myself welding for art and all that. But, you know, sometimes you need to do these things. Well, my bees are doing great, but I will say we've been waiting for the rain. Today's what, the 28th of May, the end of May. I'd hoped to harvest honey by now, but the rain has not come. My yard is all brown and crinkly, and the bees are thirsty. I had to put water out in the bee feeder for them. So I'll continue to update. I'll probably be getting into them tomorrow. But it's a good day. It's a good day. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Take care now.